Hey everyone, Edward here at Windows Report, and in this video I will show you how to fix the error code 0x800b010a on Windows 11 in no time. So the first solution that you should always take in consideration is to run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. Now to do this, press the Windows button, then select the settings icon. Afterwards, make sure that system is selected on the left pane, and then on the right side scroll down until you find the troubleshoot category and just click on it. Now just click on other troubleshooters, and lastly what you have to do in here is select the run button next to Windows Update. Now Windows will detect any issues and try to fix them as soon as possible. Afterwards you can just restart your computer and check if the issue still persists. Next in line, another great solution is to restart the Windows Update service. Now to do this, press the Windows button, then simply type services and then select it as an application from the search result. Now in here, scroll way down until you find the Windows Update service, then double click on it to open its properties window. Now the first thing you have to do in here is next to Startup Type, click the drop down menu and select the automatic option, and afterwards select the stop button under the service status. This will stop the service, and now to restart it, click on the start button to start the service. Lastly, just click on apply and OK to save the changes, and then alternatively you can also restart the background intelligent transfer service, or BIT. So make sure to move up in the list until you find the background intelligent transfer service, double click on it to open up its properties window, and make sure to do the following. Next to the startup type, select the drop down menu and click on automatic, and afterwards start the service if it stopped, and then make sure to click on apply and OK to save the changes, and then restart your computer and check if the problem still persists. And lastly, another useful solution is to disable the proxy server. Now to do this, press the Windows button, then select the settings icon. In here, make sure to click on network and internet on the left pane, and then on the right side scroll down until you find the proxy category and just click on it. Now the last thing you have to do in here is click on the setup button under manual proxy setup. So when you see use a proxy server, click on the setup button and make sure that the toggle for this option is set to off. So in case it's set to on, just set it to off, then click on save, close this window, restart your computer, and then you can check if the problem still persists. However, as an alternative, we highly recommend you to try out Restoro, which is an app that specializes in scanning and repairing any issues with your Windows operating system faster than you think. At the same time, Restoro also repairs damage caused by malware, which is a great plus in functionality. So make sure to check out the link in the description below. And that's it. Super simple, isn't it? Of course, if this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more quality fixes. I wish you a great day and thanks for watching.